And if we don't put the seed for handling this challenge today, we will not be able to reap the benefits even 2 years or 3 years from now. What is the biggest business challenge that you need to overcome if you really want to grow rapidly in future? Now, before you answer, we have to keep in mind that it will depend on 4 important situations. Number 1, what is the stage of maturity of your business? That will have a paramount impact whether you are a startup or you are a grown organization ready to scale up. Or what is the competitive business environment? How fiercely competitive it is, or a blue ocean market that you are focusing on. What is the situation there? And number 3, what is your long-term horizon in terms of your thinking? And you look at short term, your challenges are different. You look at longer term, challenges become different. And fourthly, what are the capabilities and the muscles that you have already built in your business? Now, depending on these situations, your answer of the most difficult challenge varies. But don't be surprised if any answer that you give falls in these standard 5 buckets. I call them 5 challenges of businesses in Vietnam. Type 1, it is the funding. It is the ROI that we have to generate and should be attractive enough for investors to come in. Type 2, it is about acquiring, retaining, and growing our customers. And that's particularly very important challenge for companies which are at the cusp of scaling up. Type 3, how do we manage our stakeholders, particularly external stakeholders like our government, our partners, banks, community, etc. Type 4 challenge, what is the way we enhance the operational efficiency in our system to be globally competitive and deploy technology to really be at the frontiers of the competitive situation. And type 5 is how do we develop, motivate, build accountability and ownership, and maximize the potential and performance of our people, and build a workforce for future. Ladies and gentlemen, it is this 5th challenge or the 5th type that I want to double click. And actually, this is the one that is getting me in Vietnam to hold a workshop on 16th and 17th of September. Because all business leaders must overcome this challenge. And if we don't put the seed for handling this challenge today, we will not be able to reap the benefits even 2 years or 3 years from now. So it's a long-term important decision implication.